Most of what you see from the card mechanic is the finished result. The polished card trick, the practice cardistry move, the final decks after months of work, but there's an entire process that happens before any of it reaches social media. You don't see the practice, the failed attempts and ideas, the deck design decisions, and any of the business strategies. That's what I want to show you, and that's why I'm rebuilding the Underground Club. The Underground Club is where the magic is built. Everything that I just mentioned, the process behind the craft. This is where I'll be sharing more behind the scenes, early project previews, live practice sessions, deeper breakdowns, and my honest thoughts into where we can build this together. I want it to feel like a private space inside the card mechanic world, a place where you could see things happening earlier, understand the thought process behind it, help influence decisions, and just be closer to the process. And if you want to step inside the club to see what it becomes, you can join for free. But outside the free tier, the club is built around 3 spaces: the back room, the inner circle, and the council, each one taking you a layer deeper. The back room is where you step inside and the doors close behind you. It's for people who want to support Card Mechanic and just get closer to that creativity. You'll get behind the scenes updates, raw creator check-ins, early looks into projects and ideas, light polls, and the name in the credits for all my long form videos. This is the entry point into the paid club. Next is the inner circle. If the back room is where you step inside, the inner circle is where you take a seat at the table. You get everything that the back room gets, plus weighted voting, a monthly live session, occasional master style tutorials, and priority access to limited drops and exclusive releases when they happen. This is really where ideas start to get shaped. And then there's the council, the deep chamber of the Underground Club. Council members get everything in the inner circle, plus quarterly roundtable discussions, priority feedback access, and deeper strategic conversations. This tier is meant to be a lot more intimate, but it really drives to the core of what I'm building. And because this is the relaunch of the Underground Club, I want to do something special for those of you who join early. For a limited time, anyone who joins the back room will get a free Canis Lupus deck with any purchase. And anyone who joins the inner circle or the council will get 2 free Canis Lupus decks. Just pay shipping. That's it. This is a launch bonus for people who want to be part of this vision for the Underground Club. I'm going to run this for a week, and I don't know if I'm going to do it again, but I want you to feel special being part of this relaunch. Wink. I was thinking about how to end this video, and to be honest, I think it's easier just to be straight with you. The value is not only the extra content or the live sessions or the discussions. All that's great, but really it's the time. Since I started YouTube almost 9 years ago, I've been really passionate about being able to do this full time, and your support will give me that opportunity, and it'll also give me the fuel to drive content like you've never seen before. It won't just benefit the Underground Club, but the entire community. I'm gonna give you everything I got, from the polished content to the thoughts and experiments, the work behind the work. You're gonna hate it. I'm just kidding. If that's something you're interested in, I'd be honored for you to join the Underground Club. The link is right down below and in the description. And if you want to just take a step inside for now, you can check out the free tier. But if you want to go deeper into the back room, take a seat at the inner circle, or influence decisions on the council, the doors are now open.